you guys have never removed fenders on a DC2 or like an EK before, there's a bolt right here, and then a bolt right here, right there. See that right there? And then you got to remove these bolts right here, that guy and that guy, because that's got the bracket onto the headlight. And then there's a bolt right here when you open the door. Kind of hard to see. See that guy right there? And then there's a bolt back there, and then a bolt down here. It's kind of hard to see because I got the side skirts, but you could, I guess you can't see it. So let me just pop this off and I'll show you guys. It's pretty easy. Okay, pop these off right here. Ooh, oh, a little tight. Of course. Oh, my bumper bracket right here actually broke. Wow. So much vibration that it actually broke. I need to make a new one. Okay. I have to redesign that later. Just gonna pop it off so I could show you guys. I made a little bumper bracket. See this? So I could really tailor the swing or how much I can move it around, but looks like that broke. That's fine. I'll remove the headlight bolt right here. Easy. So that's free. That's free. And now the bolts up top. Those 3 bolts that I showed you guys are actually quite easy. I am in trouble, dudes. Hear that? I'm sniffly. Hopefully I don't get sick, because I got my Japan trip coming up. Man, it's always like this. Every time I'm close to traveling, I get sick and sniffly. I guess it doesn't help that it's around December every single time. Probably have to stay in and not go out for a bit until we go leave for Japan. Okay, so that's loose. And looks like I got bolts here, here, and here. We'll do that last. I gotta remove the fender vents real quick. Can I access the bolts? No, I gotta pull it all off. Of course. Pop these off. Oh, there you go. I don't even have to remove the whole thing. I have enough room there to pop it off. Nice. There we go. Power tools. Don't want to ding my Miata. There's a bolt right here. Oh, it's not a very... Okay, come on. Figured that would fall. this one, 2, and then a few more little guys, and we should be free. Bro, there's so much going back and forth. It's kind of annoying, actually. Alright. Okay. Star bit. I actually need to toss this anyways. Won't be using this for the fenders. There's a little cover that goes here. Okay. Lift and pull. Voila. Nice.